How to fix Instagram story audio problem on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First, open Play Store or App Store and make sure your Instagram is updated, and then just click update if you found here update. And if that doesn't fix your problem, go back, go to settings, scroll down until you find apps, click apps again. Here type Instagram, click on it. This one is for Android phones. Click for stop and go to storage, clear cache, and that's it. Now all your problems must be fixed, and if that doesn't fix your problem and you have an iPhone, just delete your Instagram and install it again. I hope that can fix your problem. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.